back students, myself Kukreja Rahul. Today we have to learn about the standard 9. Today we have to learn about the standard 9 maths, okay, and chapter number 11 construction. From the previous lecture we already seen the questions of the exercise 11.2 question number 1. Okay, we already seen question number 1 of the exercise 11.2. Okay, now we have to move for the question number 2, that is also a type of the subtraction. Okay, that's a type of the subtractions. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start to how to draw the triangle, or how to construct a triangle with the using of the subtraction. Okay, so your question is construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Here is the difference is given as a AB minus AC. So first of all I'll give you the some information about the subtraction. Okay, here my rough diagram, this is my rough diagram ABC. Okay, this is my rough diagram ABC. Okay, here it says AB minus AC, that means this side minus this side, left hand side minus right hand side. Okay, left side that is AB minus right hand side. Okay, so in this condition we have to construct upward. Okay, in this condition we have to construct the triangle with upward direction. Okay, upward direction. Okay, in the previous session I am already tell you that there is two types of the construction in the subtraction. Okay, one of the construction with the upward direction, and second construction with the second type of the construction, that is downward direction. Okay, we have to construct two type of the triangle in the subtraction. Okay, so one of the upward direction and second one is the downward direction. Okay, then in which condition we have to draw upward direction and in which condition we have to draw downward direction. So if here is AB minus AC is given, then we have to draw upward direction, or if AC minus AB is given, if AC minus AB is given, okay, right hand side minus left hand side is given in the question, so we have to draw downward direction. We have to construct a triangle with the downward direction. Okay, clear that? Here there is a two type, that is one of them AB minus AC. Okay, and second one is AC minus AB. If we construct AB minus AC, okay, so we have to move for the upward direction, and if we construct AC minus AB, so we have to draw downward direction. Okay, so in the question that is given as AB minus AC, so we have to construct a upward direction. Okay, so first of all draw BC 8 centimeter. Okay, here your BC is 8 centimeter. Now construct 45 degree at the B. We have to construct 45 degree. For that, first of all, draw the semicircle. As we know, after draw that 60 degree, after 120, okay, and bisect them with the construct of 90 degree. Okay, so here this angle is your 90 degree. I want 45 degree, so now I have to bisect this 90 degree to draw 45 degree. Okay, dear students, you must to construct 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, any kind of the angle in the question that are given with the help of the rounder, not a help of the protractor. Okay, so please remember that. Now this is my 45 degree angle. Now it says that we have to draw upward direction. So in the upward direction, I'll take the AB minus AB, that is subtraction is given 3.5. So I'll take AB minus AC as a 3.5 centimeter. So I'll take subtraction as a 3.5 centimeter, measure of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this is my 3.5 centimeter point, and I'll give them as a X. Now joint X with the C. Again draw perpendicular bisector of the X and C. So take more than half. With the same measurement from the X. Okay, now joint both of the arc that are intersect with each other. Okay, pass a line from that. Now extend this line that much that this line and this line, both of them are intersect each other. Okay, so both of this line are intersect each other at this point. So your point, this is point A. Okay, and now construct joint A with the C. So your triangle ABC are constructed. Clear? This is the type of the triangle. Okay, this is the type of the triangle with the subtraction and with the upward direction. Okay, now second one is the constructed as a downward direction. Okay, second question, that is question number 3 of your exercise 11.2. okay, that's a downward direction question. Okay, so question 3, that is construct a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 60 degree, and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, clear that? So now we have to construct. Okay, now we have to construct. So first of all, triangle PQR is like PQR. Okay, so here is PR minus PQ, that is right hand side minus left hand side is given. Subtraction of the side is right hand side minus left hand side. Okay, that means AC minus AB, AC minus AB. Okay, PR minus PQ, that is, so we have to draw downward direction. Okay, so we have to construct this subtraction type with the downward direction. Okay, so for that, let's start. Here is the side is 6 centimeter given. So take 6 centimeter. Okay, here is the 6 centimeter we are taking. Okay, now this is the QR 6 centimeter. It says that from the Q, from the angle Q, construct a 60 degree angle. Okay, so from the Q construct a 60 degree. So for that, first of all draw a semicircle. And after, this is my 60 degree. Okay, so construct first of all 60 degree. So I'll construct it 60 degree. Clear? Now it says PR minus PQ, and we know that we have to construct a downward direction with the downward direction. So with the same direction of the 60 degree, I'll make sure that I'll take 2 centimeter with the down. Okay, now with the 2 centimeter, this is my 2 centimeter. Okay, from the point of Q I'll draw 2 centimeter downward direction. Okay, so this is my point X. From the point Q, this is my 2 centimeter. Okay, clear that? Now join point X to the R. Clear? Now again construct a perpendicular bisector of XR. For the perpendicular bisector, we have to construct more than half. We will take more than half and make an arc at the both side. Now construct a line that both of them are intersect each other. Now this line intersect with the line with the 60 degree angle. Okay, and name that point as a P and construct with the and join with the R. So your triangle PQR are constructed. Okay, clear? Now your triangle PQR are constructed. Clear? Now we have to construct one of the question number 5. We have to construct first of all question number 5, and after we have to construct question number 4, because of the question number 5 is the type of the triangle which are the addition of two triangles. Okay, sum of two triangles. sum of two sides. Question number 5. First of all, we have to construct question number 5. So construct a right angle triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. Okay, here we have to construct first of all rough diagram. That is, it say that ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle at B. Its base is 12 centimeter. Its base, that is BC, is 12 centimeter. Now it said that sum of its hypotenuse, that is AC, and other side AB, that is AC plus AB, sum of two side is 18 centimeter is given. Okay, so here the type of the question is that sum of the two side. Okay, so for that we have to construct first of all BC as a 12 centimeter. Okay, so we have to construct BC as a 12 centimeter. Okay, this is B and this is point C. From B construct a 90 degree. Okay, from B construct 90 degree. So for that, first of all take a semicircle with the any measurement. Okay, take a point from the intersection of the semicircle, make an arc that is 60, make another arc that is 120 and bisect them, so you got 90 degree. Clear? So here your 90 degree is constructed. Now we have to move for the 18 degree. Okay, so for the 18 degree, 15, this is my 15 centimeter. Okay, and after the 15 we have to draw another 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is your 18 centimeter line are constructed. Okay, so now I'll give this point as a point X. Now join the X with the point C. Okay, now joint point X with the point C. Okay, so for that I'll take measurement such that both of them are joined with the same straight line. Okay, make sure that both of the point are joined with the same line. Okay, okay, so this is your line. Okay, clear? Now we have to construct perpendicular bisector of the XC. For the perpendicular bisector of the XC, take more than half measurement of the XC. Okay, make an arc. Make an arc at the both side. And from the point X also make an arc with the same measurement. Make sure that both of the arc are intersect with each other. Okay, now from the intersection point make a line passing through them. Line that are intersect BX at a point A. Okay, BX at a point A. Now joint A to C, that your triangle will be constructed. For that your triangle will be constructed. For that your triangle will be constructed. Clear? Now I hope all of you are enjoying this class. Okay, so for the this one I'll give you the example that is for you, that help to construct more and more. Okay, so I'll give you the homework for the triangle, okay, with the addition of two side and subtraction of two side extra sums that are helpful for you. Okay, also related to the 11.1. So for the homework question, write down. First question is that construct a triangle ABC in which three sides are given of length 6 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Okay. Second question, that is construct an angle of 150 degree and bisect it. Third one is that construct an equilateral triangle PQR given its one side is 8 centimeter. Clear? All of these sums you must have to note down in fair book. Okay, so please remember that. Next question, that is construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Okay, AB minus AC, that is 2.5 centimeter. I'll write it here. AB minus AC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, clear? Now construct a triangle. Question number 5. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter and sum of other two sides is 8 centimeter and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Clear? One of the last question, that is construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Clear that? Okay. So this is your homework questions. Okay. I hope all of you are enjoying this class. Okay. So all of these homework questions you must do in your homework book, in your fair book also. Okay. So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.